Welcome back to Claric Vlog, guys. Dito ko sa garden, guys, kasi nakita ako yung sitaw ko, guys. Mayroon na siyang bulaklak. Look at that, guys. At saka ang hahaba na nila. Tingnan mo sila, guys. Kaya nilagyan ko sila ng sariling trellis. Ayan akong gumawa niyan. So, yan, mga hahaba na nila, guys. Look at how quick. Meron silang bulaklak. Grabe yung ulan. Ang ulan talagang nagdadala eh. Ang bilis. Ang bilis lang, guys. Talaga lang, guys, ha. Yan. Tala natin yung dead plants. Ayan. Tingnan mo, oh. Yan, diba? Bulaklak yan siya, guys. So far, nilinis ko siya kasi if raining, the weeds is just so quick. I just don't know how. Okay, guys, so as you can see that. So I put the trellis. Yeah, just put from store and make it climb. So see how the leaves is so pretty, and see that, guys. See, look at that. So that is the going this time, guys. I see the climb. Mamaya this way, kita mo doon, magbubunot ako dyan, guys. Andito naman yung patula. Kasi ano na lang pumunta saan pumunta ko, guys. Punta ko, lalagyan ko yung cinnamon kasi di ba ito yung kalabasan ko ng ang daming bulaklak. So hindi mo alam kung tutuloy hindi. Ayan, buhay na buhay yung collard greens ko. Yung tomato, ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Tomato ko, guys. So, yun, oh. Diba? Ang ganda, guys, diba? So, natuloy-tuloy siya, guys, no? Sus. Talagang powerful talaga yung ulan. Grabe. Ayan, so far. Ayan, ito sila. Yung basil. Ayan, I love basil with cheese. Basil and eggs, or I believe with kanin. Ay, guys, nako. And look, guys, what I got. That's saluyot, guys. Saluyot. Ayun, saluyot. Bahay kubo. Ayan, tingnan mo na, twin business woman, tingnan mo yung mga, ko, ang liliit yan, talong, iyan. Tingnan mo ang talong, ang liliit pa, twin. Sinabi ko sa iyo, ayan pa, talong, iyan. Diyos mayo, hindi pa alam kung mabubuhay. Hindi, kaya twin, grabe kung kaya twin, dami bunga. Grabe yung twin, nalagay mo dyan, twin. Grabe, padalhan din ako ng talong, guys. Salamat in advance, twin. Agoy, I'm excited talaga, twin. I'm excited talaga, twin. Grabe. At yung sitaw ko, guys. Ayun. Yan sitaw. Ayun. Diyos may yan. Yung bahay kubo sa puburing Alindahaw, guys. Sa puburing Pilipino, guys. Na mahilig magtanong. Okay. Because possible is organic. So, tanong mo, guys. Ayan, meron na din siyang rito, guys. Look at that. Sooner or later, I have sitaw. And you know what I did in my sitaw? Because my husband loves adobong sitaw. That's his favorite. And he loves sitaw anyway. But in sinigang, like sitaw, ayan, ganyan, guys. So, he ate those sitaw, guys. Ayan, sitaw, batanin. And meron akong loya. Yan na siya, sinong may dyan, ha? Yung paa parang loya. Ayan, dyan, guys. Loya, ayan, guys. Ayan. Loya, ayan. Ayan, ito pala yung, guys, yung ko. Sa loob, malunggay. Isa, ako rito, bilangin natin. Yung isa andoon. Yan na ba yan? Niliko na siya. Kapag ganyan, ha? So, matanda ka na. So, Ayan, ito yung isang malunggay sa loob, guys. Isa. Bilang tayo, guys, ha. Yan, dalawa. Yan natin siya guys. Town. Kaluoy sa pobre. Ayan, isa malunggay din yan. 3. Alam ko, 8 tong malunggay ko eh. Ayan guys ha. Malunggay. Lawang siya. Ayan. 3. Ayan, 4. Malunggay din yan guys. Ayan oh. Kasi, ano siya sa, di ba namatay. Tapos babalik yan pag winter. Ilan na ba ako? 4, 5. Hala! Yan lang pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hala! 5 lang pala yung malunggay ko, guys. Sa loob. Sa labas, 7. Ay, namatay yung isa. 7 lang siya, guys. Ang nabuhay. So, ano yan? Yan sita ko, guys, ha? Ay, as usual. Kakainis. Yung pusa. Pag hindi wet siya, guys. Pupunta dito. Ginawang stambayan. Aba? Susya na pusa ito. Kaya kung mag-spray ako ng tubig. I love cats. I love animals, every God's creation, guys. I love cats, dogs, whatever it is. But, it's really, I have plants in there, and he or I don't know, it's a girl, boy. He scratched it and all gone. Well, that's 2 in there. That space, there is 2. What's that? Beans in there, and ayun, nawala na siya, guys, kasi namatay. Paano may hindi namatay? Giligid-ligiran. Agoy, guys. Look, may kangkong, may sinigaw na ako, guys, di ba? And in raining season, my plants really like magic. See how they grow that quick. Just 2 days of raining, and see like that. Yeah, so nice, huh?